Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let us dive into the amazing world of kitchen design. Ever wondered how your kitchen style can impact your daily life? Well, it is more than just countertop and cabinets. It is about creating a space that works seamlessly for you. Imagine a kitchen that not only looks good but also make your daily cooking and family time a breezy. That is what we are exploring today, and trust me, it is exciting. A well-designed kitchen can turn the chore of cooking into a joy and transfer family gathering into a memorable moments. So buckle up as we take a fun and easy to understand journey through 5 different kitchen design style. Get ready to discover the perfect style that suits your taste and make your kitchen a place you will love to be in every day. Classic kitchen have a timeless charm that many people love. Imagine your grandma cozy kitchen. That is the classic style. It is all about enduring appeal. Picture fancy cabinets not to flash but with intricate design. Picture fancy cabinets not to flash but with intricate design. That little decoration on them. Color are charm like white or creamy, and materials are long lasting, making the kitchen feel warm and welcoming. Classic kitchen gives you a sense of tradition, like passing down family recipes. It is like bringing a bit of history into your home, making it feel elegant and classy. So if you want a kitchen that feels like a warm view from the past and looks stylish, a classic kitchen is the way to go. Welcome to the world of modern kitchen design. Imagine a kitchen that is not just a cooking space but a sleek, functional heaven. Modern kitchens are all about simplicity, clean lines, minimalistic vibe, and cool materials that bring a touch of future to your home. Picture sleek countertops, uncluttered space, and a vibe that is both chic and efficient. No more fuss or fuss, just a smooth, streamlined kitchen that make life easier. The secret lies is in cutting edge materials that not only look cool but also make your kitchen a joy to work in. So if you are dreaming of a kitchen that is both stylish and practical, the modern design is your go-to recipe for sauces. Discover the cozy magic of rustic kitchen, warm tone, natural texture, and a welcoming vibe that feels like a huge from the outdoors. In a rustic kitchen, it is all about embracing the beauty of imperfections and bringing nature indoors. Imagine using reclined wood, the kind that tells stories with its notes and grains. Earthy color like brown and green set the tones, creating a down to earth atmosphere. And let us not forget open shelving, where your favorite dishes becomes part of the decor. The result, a kitchen that feels like the heart of your home, where every crack in the floor and whiff of homemade pie adds to the charm. Welcome to the rustic retreat that is both stylish and comforting. Transitional kitchen are like a mixtape of classic and modern style. Imagine combining your favorite classic tune with the latest hits. It is a bit like that for kitchen design. These kitchens are all about blending the charm of traditional elements like detailed cabinets and warm colors with the sleekness of modern features such as clean lines and cool materials. What is cool about traditional kitchen is that they cater of different tastes. It is like having the best of both worlds. They smoothly bring together timeless classic and the fresh vibe of today. For how owners who want a kitchen that is not too stuck in the pots but not too traditional kitchens are the perfect harmony. It is like finding that sweet spot where the old and new dance together, creating a kitchen that feels just right. Welcome to the world of industrial kitchen style, where urban cool meets home warmth. Picture an edge vibe with exposed bricks wall, sleek material, accent, and open space that screamed modern chic. In this style, your kitchen transforms into a trendy city heaven. The exposed bricks adds characters the materials accent, bringing an industrial charm, and open spaces create a airy, contemporary feel. Imagine cooking in a space that mirrors the cool aesthetic of a bustling city. It is not just a kitchen, it is an experience. So, if you are into the idea of blending urban vibe with the comfort of home, an industrial kitchen is your ticket to a stylish culinary adventure right in your own space. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for our channel. Thank you.